losing $169 trading lows. Weird one today, guys. We got a weird recap. So, as you can probably guess, well, the two accounts, same trade, just two accounts. 10K account, we lost 48. 100 or 25K account soon. We lost 120. And so going like, this is a weird one because we got kind of if you were on the live stream if you saw the Thursday morning live stream from September 26th, you would have seen what I was talking about. But so not like a big loss by any means for the size of these accounts. Like will win substantially more had the trade have worked or other trades in the future. And I have in the past as well. But if you jump into what happened on the chart, so let's just, go back to the beginning here of this trade. Now I moved my stop, which kind of came back to bite me in the ass. But at the same time, the trade's kind of just like sputtering to nothing. Maybe it will work, maybe it won't. But the idea was I got it on the breakout above this level right here, which we just nipped above on Monday afternoon. So my original stop, as I adjust this bad boy, my original stop was under the low of Monday. So that was the original plan. Had I had left that stop, just went, that's it, leave it alone, this wouldn't have happened. Looking back, probably should have just done that. The problem was we had a nice move up. We got very close to our take profit, and I said to myself, hey, let's move it up. We could move it to break even, but I'm going to move it to 260. That would be underneath this volume node right here. A good spot. And we got a just dirty wick to wick me out, and then right back up. Now, will it end up panning out? I don't know. But on the bigger time frames, this, by the way, if you zoom out on a bigger time frame, is an all-time high. And I thought it had a lot of potential because it would be breaking above this high, which was set back in 2021, and the high that we made back earlier this year. So I was like, this has really good potential for a big momentum thrust, and we still might get it. It's just, I also paired that up with the hurricane coming in. Could be, Lowe's, Home Depot kind of play. Right, made some sense there. Not that I want to get too caught up in that, because I've gotten caught up in that stuff in the past, and I've held stuff well beyond what I planned to risk. In this case, I did not. I moved my stop up, not down, which is what I always recommend. Or I always do. I don't move stops down. I don't take on more risk. I take on less risk as time goes on, as a trade works in my favor or not. Usually, the original risk is the most I'm willing to risk, and I kind of adjust from there if I feel like I need to, and the chart develops in a way where it makes sense to invalidate the idea. In this case, I look back and say, I don't know. Could I have left it at the original risk? Yep. Am I mad about the stop? No, because I don't know. I just don't like the move that we're getting. I thought we'd see a bigger push into all-time highs as we made all-time highs on Tuesday. I thought we'd see a bigger continuation, and we just haven't seen it. It's here now Thursday. Maybe we get it next week. I don't know. But I thought we would see that kind of sooner rather than later, given that we were hitting all-time highs now, and we just haven't seen it, so the momentum is just not there. So I'm totally okay with taking this loss and moving on, losing 169, and that's it. Update on the month. We've got, technically speaking, 2 trading days left in the month, so we could go red if we have a lot of losers to be taken, but I don't think we're going to. We are up 524 as of right now. But I have some positions in there that you'll see me explain, like Roku, I believe, and Netflix is there in there as well. Those ones I haven't talked about. Those are partial profits that were taken and partial losses that were taken because I got taken out of positions. Not my fault. The fault of the broker, the fault of the prop firm, and then I had to re-enter them. So I'll talk when I close those officially. I will count these numbers inside of their total. So these will be kind of factored into those individual trades. So it looks like I have a lot more trades than I really do for the month because of the trade copier and that stuff going on. But everything kind of is working out fine. So not amazing. Started off pretty shitty, I thought, and then kind of had a good middle of the month, and maybe we're going to end shitty. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if we finish green. 36% win rate. Not great, but hey, being green at a 36% win rate, I'm okay with that. Given how I've seen the market, just don't feel like we're in a high momentum state by any means. And so given that, to be green in a month of low momentum, in my book, is good because I play momentum. So that's the deal. Hope it was helpful. I'll leave a link to TradeZilla. TC10 saves you 10% if you're going to use them. use it, please. Save money. I pay full price for this, actually. Believe it or not, I actually do. But I get commissions if anyone signs up with my link, which is cool. So I appreciate it if you ever do. If you use my discount code, you're saving money, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.